This. Next up, we have the devil. Ooh, she's the devil. Like, would any of my Halloween slimes count for this? I don't know. Okay, vampire blood is giving devil emoji because some devilish behavior, okay? What about this? Deviled eggs. Next, we have a ghost. And then next we have an alien. I actually just used the alien. Oh my gosh, wait, this is actually more perfect. And next we have this moon pop cup. Not gonna lie, I think I have a poop Poppet Pet. Like, I don't know why, but I feel like, well, I have a chocolate bunny. Does that count? Does that count? No, I definitely think I have one though. Is my memory